once again, here I am. But first, welcome back to M Hood Fishing. Yeah, you're right. Let's see if I can make this happen. I'm gonna keep trying till it's perfect, right? Till I can get what I want out of this spot, because it's what I like doing at this spot. And it's quieter because the ferry is still out of commission. It's not here. So the last time I came, it was a skunk session, but it's not the video that you're thinking of, because I didn't make a video of the last time I came here. Yeah, you're right, but hopefully this will be better, because the river has dropped about a foot since I was last here. It was 8.60 when I was last here, and now it's 7.70. I have 3 rods. I have 3 lines of attack. We're gonna go with the sumo spoon. Even if this doesn't work out, I bet it's still gonna be super chill, because for the most part the general public can't see me down here, right? And no one's really gonna come up here. You know, like there's witches' hats in the way. You can't come up here, and you can't drive down the levee. But if I was fishing somewhere in town right now, I might be a little concerned. There's kind of a weird vibe going on, and it's mostly with the people just coming and going. Ooh, there's a drop off there. There's like drunk people, stuff like that, driving around. Out of towners probably. I see fish, I see bait. Usually there's a lot of shrimp here, freshwater shrimp, river shrimp. The light brings them here, and in turn fish like skipjack and white bass show up. Now I would like to see a line of rocks in front of me exposed, and that would mean that I could get over there and stand on those rocks and fish. So if I throw directly in front of me, I'm going to have to bring this sumo spoon, which is weighted with 3/16 ounce bullet weight. I'd have to bring it fast over that, or I'd catch. But that's, I need to be closer to where that crazy current is. Oh shoot, I hit a snag way far out there. Oh my goodness, I think I'm probably on old barge cable. It's solid, and I can't get to it. I can't wade out to it. It'd be dangerous. Damn it. As per usual, I'm not going to give up right away. I'm going to change the angle here, come up river, see if I can shake it off, or if it just will, you know, come right off. Who knows what I'm hooked into. It could be that aircraft cable, the barge cable. It could be an old piece of rope. Could be wood. Hopefully it's not. Oh, did we lose everything? Oh, I still feel the weight. Nice, good deal. Did not lose the sumo spoon. Oh, I have a bad feeling about this one. I'm just hitting snags left and right. It makes me want to just go. Oh, I thought I was snapping the line, and I pulled and I got it back. My confidence is sinking, so I don't see the point, but I'll do it anyway. Now we're going to switch to a Yozuri jerkbait. There we go. Oh, finally. Look at that. Oh, look at that white bass. Oh, that's coming home. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, my confidence level just went whoop above the Empire State Building. Yeah, you're right. Oh, yes, finally. Oh, I'm in such a good mood. Oh, yes. Wow. Oh, slippy slidey. Come on, man. Oh, embarrassing. I have like the tightest grip I could have right now. Yeah, you're right. They get a lot bigger than this, but for whatever reason, you don't get a lot of big catches on white bass down here. I don't. Friends of mine haven't. Other places I've been fishing for white bass outside of Louisiana, a little further north, we'll say, much bigger catches more commonly. Oh, something just disturbed the water right here in front of me. So this is a suspended jerkbait, this Yozuri, and I think the fact that it's so flashy with all that silver is what got the job done. Mr. Miller, who I'm friends with on Instagram, sent this to me a while back thinking that it would work for white bass, and for whatever reason it got kind of pushed to the side with all the other stuff. Oh, I swear I had a follow. But yes, this does work for white bass. It's keeping me out of the snags for the most part. Was that a swipe? Oh, I think something, yeah, was swiping me right there. I'm only going to spend a little bit of time over here. This is the opposite side of the landing. Two barges just went by. First one, then two. The second one is going by. So there's about to be a bit of a wake coming through here. Good time to just grab this. But here comes the wake that I was hoping for. And that might push white bass and other things up into the shallow bit that I can easily fish. I'm gonna go ahead and just fish it as it comes in. You can hear it, right? It's not gonna be that crazy, but if we have a container ship pass us, that's gonna be crazy. That might bring the fish up in here, but you just like hang out and you watch, right? This is not my first rodeo. I've seen this happen before. The barge bite thing isn't just exclusively to catfish. It makes other fish move around. It'll push them up in here. Oh, I'm already seeing fish activity. Not that much of a wake, right? But there's gonna be a second wave because it was two barges. Oh, see that? Did you see that over there? That's what I'm saying. That's usually what happens when you get a wake up in here at night. Fish activity just ramps up all of a sudden. Those were skipjack doing that over there. Looked like skipjack. I saw some come out of the water. Could have been white bass. Oh, you see that right there? I mean, it amps you up, right? It gets the blood going. If only they would hit this jerkbait. Awesome. See right there? Look at that coming in. Oh, let's see if we can hit this shallow bit, come run up against it. Oh, just right in front of me, running. White bass all over the place all of a sudden. Oh, they're all over the place. This water, look at it. Oh, you see that right there? This water has gotten dirtier because of the wake. It was dirty to begin with, right? Ah, man, I proved my point that you get this crazy activity with the wake, but I did not get a bite. Oh, that is solid. I think this is it. Pretty sure I'm about to lose it. Maybe when the river goes down, it'll still be there. Probably not. Oh, shoot. Yeah, at this point, it's actually really, really late, and I am very, very tired, very out of it. I've had a sinus headache all day, and I've kind of shooken half of it off being here. Got a decent white bass. Had some fun. More fun than the last time I was here. So, yeah. Okay. I'm going home with something. And that's all I'm doing. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, being a member of the channel. So cool. Really, really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And yeah, you're right. I will definitely see you next time.